In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to try QuickBooks Online for free. QuickBooks is a powerful tool for managing your finances, whether you're a business owner or just want to keep better track of your personal finances. So, if you've ever been curious about how this platform works, but aren't ready to commit to a subscription, you're in luck. I'll guide you through trying QuickBooks Online completely free, all from your web browser, without even needing to set up an account. Let's jump right into it. To get started, open your web browser and type QuickBooks Online Test Drive into the search bar. This is a fantastic way to access a demo version of QuickBooks without any cost. Once your search results appear, you'll want to look for the first official Intuit link. Intuit is the company that develops QuickBooks, so ensuring you click on the right link is crucial for a smooth experience. Upon clicking this link, you'll be directed to an overview page where you can choose between two options to try: QuickBooks Online or QuickBooks Online Advanced. The difference between these two lies mainly in the range of features. Advanced offers more robust options suited for larger businesses. But don't worry, either choice gives you a great feel for the platform. Go ahead and click on the link that best fits what you're interested in exploring. After making your selection, you'll be taken to a new page. Here, to proceed, you'll need to complete a simple CAPTCHA. This is just a security measure to ensure that you're a real person. Once you've passed this step, you'll gain access to QuickBooks Online. And here's the exciting part. You'll be able to try it out for free without setting up an account. This test drive lets you explore most of the features, offering valuable insight into its capabilities. That's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you're now ready to navigate through QuickBooks and experiment with its functionalities. You can add transactions, generate reports, and even test out the invoicing system, all crucial aspects of managing your financials. Remember, this is a test environment, so don't hesitate to try different things and see how the platform could benefit you or your business. It's a risk-free way to assess whether QuickBooks Online meets your needs before making any commitment. All right, you've made it to the end of this guide. Enjoy exploring QuickBooks Online and however it can assist you with your financial tasks. Thanks for tuning in, and happy accounting!